Pet Finder, hi. I'd like to introduce you to my friend, Harry the hamster. Harry is sweet. He came to us when his family could no longer care for him because they thought they had a pair of girls, but in fact, lo and behold, one day they came to the cage and discovered hamster babies. That's right. So the family decided to keep the girls, but brought Harry to us for help in finding a new home. Now, Harry is a great first pet. Hamsters are terrific for families considering adding a companion to the family. It's a great way to start because they are low maintenance. They don't need to be walked. You don't need to clean the litter box every day. They're quiet. They don't make any noise, obviously. And he seems pretty happy on his own. So this is Harry. He has a lovely Habitrail house. It's got kind of an annex that connects to his regular house with a tunnel. He's fun to watch. I'd say I have to clean his cage about once a week. He eats hamster food, the occasional bit of carrot or something like that. He comes with his cage, and he certainly comes with this, his favorite toy, his purple exercise ball. So this is Harry. Harry, will you show everybody? Look up here. Oh, hi. Hi. I know, I've trapped you. I've trapped you. So Harry would love to meet you. Please either send me an email at cliftondogs1@gmail.com, or you can call the shelter and we can talk. The number is 973-470-5936, and this is my foster hamster, Harry. Please get in touch.